So I'm going to real quickly go through how to get your footage off of your phone without using Photos and without using iTunes. So obviously step one is to plug your phone in. Now when you do that, your phone might ask you, do you want to trust the computer? Just say yes, you want to trust the computer. If iTunes launches, you're going to want to quit iTunes. Don't let that launch. The software that we're going to use to get the video off of your phone is something called image capture. And the way you find that is by going to your applications folder, and you can just look alphabetically down the list here, and you can until you find image capture. And I'll double click that to launch it. And if my phone is unlocked, the image capture will populate with the contents of my camera roll right here. Now, a couple things about the way image capture works. The way this works is you will select a video clip, and then down here you can see import to, and I'll have to choose where I want to import this to. Now, I think by default it's going to import to pictures. You want to change this. You want to change this from pictures to go to other, and then you're going to just select your montage video folder from your project folder that we made the other day. So you'll select montage video, hit choose. And once you've chosen that, you can double check, there it is. You're going to go up here and you can use command to select multiple clips in here. Anything that you want to import, just select them all, go on down the line here, and then once you have all the ones that you want, you just need to hit import right here. Do not hit import all. That will import all the contents of your phone. Bad idea. Import. And that's it. If I go back to Finder and I look at I go to Documents and look at my montage video folder, you will see it is filling up with all the video as it imports from image capture. So that's all you have to do. Real easy.